I am artist Muthuswamy. Today I will teach you how to draw realistic fur drawing. To start, I am going to make a circle on this left side and right side. Just need to create lines, but it does not work. It will not be enough. Each line the same size, where some go in one direction and other go in other direction. Crossing the lines, this works, but we need to plan first. Planning is the one of the main reason why beginners can't create more beautiful. So let's go. Ready for me to show you how to do it the right way. First, we are going to do is to start working with the plan. Sketch the parts. The darker parts of the fur are not all in the same depth. The fur is receiving more light and another are receiving less light. Outline dark part. We know exactly where to shade. But remember that when you be doing animal furs, there will not have any circle around. All of these furs will have same movement. They are not in a random way. They have a path. If you struggle with creating graphite or charcoal drawing and looking to improve your skills, I can teach you everything you need to know over my YouTube channel. So subscribe my channel. Let's go back to our drawings. Now we will exactly within those areas. Those are the darker part. You just have to do lines inside. You just have to do lines inside. You will want to use a darkened pencil to shade it. I am using this one, which is the 8B pencil. Another point, the line needs to be fine at the beginning and also at the end of the line. The other tip to talk about is that you should follow the movement, the direction the fur is going on. If you are looking at the reference images, some lines are curved upwards to right or left. We go to make another layer over them to make it darker and give more contrast. Let's move on to the creating the lightest fur between each of this darkened section. Now I am going to get cotton swab to blending it. Use mono eraser exactly over the light part. To finish, we are going to draw some more lines over the light fur. And it's finishing. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos tutorial, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.